Hello everyone to all of my friendship. I'm already here in Chinese King restaurant. This is my favorite food. That is samosa. I really love samosa. That is one of my favorite food. And also I'm here. I would just take what kind of food that you have. They have chicken biryani. This is the chicken biryani, and then we have chutney and a lot of foods. So there are a lot of Indian friends here, and I'll be calling my best friend the one that is very good in Indian accent. I will just call him. Bye. Friends. There are a lot of them here. No, I will interview you in your accent.
It's alright.
No. This is my best friend. My best friend for a longer period of time, and I never thought that I could have this. We could see each other like it's been a year. For how many years? OMG. And then I will be tasting once again my favorite food. Hello, my best friend. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm very fine.
Yeah, it's been a long time. Bro.
Well, this is my friendship. This is Gagan Dip. We've been best friend for almost 8 years in service.
It's been a long time.
It's been a long time. Yeah. So how was your day today?
It's going well. Actually, this is I will meet my best friend.
Do you miss my your best friend?
After 10 years. It's been a long time.
Yeah.
Yes.
What?
20 to 20.
What is kagang? Said kagang. What is kagang?
It's a wrong with the pronunciation maybe. It's called gagan dip.
Gagan. It's gagan dip, not kagang.
Yeah.
It's crab.
Yeah.
I don't like crab. No more crab in India.
It's a crab?
Yeah.
Which kind of crab?
You kagang. Kagang is a crab.
Yeah. Why are you laughing? Is there anything for?
Yeah, I'm laughing because I'm so very happy and I'm so very glad and excited.
It's been a long time already, and we're really happy to see you again after 10 years.
10 years?
Yes.
No, I thought it was 8 years. It's 10 years ago. I never thought that that was a long time ago. My tummy is bigger now than not like yours.
You must be joking, bro.
I'm just joking. I will eat now. I will teach you how to eat in a different kind of food. So what are the kind of foods that you are selling here? We have chicken biryani is my favorite in samosa. What is chutney? Chutney.
It's a side. It's a side. It's a side dish.
Okay.
With chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani. What is this? This is one of my favorites.
This is chicken. It's chicken 65.
Chicken
65.
Chicken 65.
Yes.
Oh,
This is egg keema.
This is egg keema.
Yeah. This is chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani, and I'm inviting everyone, if you do have time, to visit the Singing King restaurant. This is owned by my best friend Gagandip, because he is also the one who's cooking. Are you the one cooking this food? And he's a very full time in this job. And my mommy G is at the back.
It's there.
It's there. So what I'm going to do now is I will be eating this different kind of foods. Yeah, this very delicious. Hawag ka na sila mo Bisaya diri ya. Di ba bahay ka mo Bisaya bay? Musta naman ka? Okay ra kay ka?
Okay na ko, bay.
Ikaw musta man ang panginabuhi ato bay? Okay ra kay bay?
Okay kayo, pero mas mahina ako magkinabuhi na kasi I really miss my best friend. But now he's here. I'm so really happy.
Kani hawag ka ni mo actually, hawag ka ni mo Bisaya ni Tuluan ko ni Bisaya sa una hawag ka ni. Kamusta naman kabuanga ka?
Kaya naman ko, kinamuhi.
Okay na ba?
Sa bangun takang papa, butong likod ni mo ro.
Bago ng butong likod. Amawa lagi. Amaw kayo ni Bisaya ba eh. Hello everyone, this is my Indian friends. They're talking. There are a lot of them in these places at Chinggis King restaurant. They're talking to each and everyone. Hello, my name is Dui. My name is Krukutui. I'm talking to you like in public. I have a lot of friends. Look at them, they're Indians. So they're talking to each and everyone. And they're very angry. What are they talking about? Hello everyone, this is my friendship. There are a lot of them. They have a problem and there's something wrong happening in their friendship. So maybe there is a problem. What are they talking about? Oh. You're seeing that you have a bad breath. I don't like your face. It's like that. And then now they're telling it to your friends that they copy your talk. They don't take note and then copy your project. Oh, look at them. They're really saying something like, "Oh, come on, what are you doing about? What are you talking about? I'm not doing it for you." I have a lot of friendship. There are all of them is here. They are all Indians. Hello everyone, how was your friendship? Look at them. They are my friends. They are my friends. I'm just inside the car. I'm just videoing everyone. So they're here to eat in the Chinggis King restaurant. This is a restaurant of my classmate Gagandip. So I'm just here because waiting for him for a couple of minutes because he's not here. So I will just wait for a while. And while waiting, I am taking videos of my friends. I have a lot of Indian friends here. And they're talking like, oh, look at them. Looks like one of the major actor in a SpongeBob SquarePants.